Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to third international conference on applied zoology. This is Anila Riaz. The topic of my presentation is evaluation of biocontrol activity of fungal isolates against Hyloma tick in cattle. This is introduction of my presentation. Hyloma is a genus of hard body ticks. It has extensive series of host and topographical distribution. Livestock is a subsector of Pakistan agriculture, which contribute approximately 56% of value in agriculture and nearly 11% to the gross domestic product. It is the backbone of the economy of our country, where 35% income of the 8 million rural families are associated with it. 8% of the world cattle population is infested with tick. Control of tick has historically been dependent on the chemical acaricides, but it caused several problems, including undesirable effect on the environment and toxic to human. Microbial control using arthropod pathogenic fungi has widely used for tick control. Fungi have been studied for pest control worldwide due to their great efficiency in killing the host, great genetic variability, and relatively eco-friendly. These are the objective of my presentation: to isolate and identify fungi from dairy farm soil and district correct, and to evaluate the biocontrol activity of fungal isolates against Hyloma ticks and kettles. These are the material and method. Collection of soil sample. Soil sample were collected from the dairy farm. The soil were properly labeled by putting time, date, and location of the area and were taken in small sterile polythene bags and brought to microbiology lab of the Cohort University of Science and Technology for further processing. Sample were stored at 4 degrees for the further processed. For the isolation of the fungi, the soil were serial diluted up to 5 dilution. From each dilution, 1 ml was transferred to the sorbent dextrose agar plate with antibiotic to prevent bacterial growth and uniformly sprayed using sterile sprayer and incubated at 25 centigrade for 5 days. After 5 days, different fungal colonies were observed. The colonies observed were subculture on SDA at 25 centigrade for 48 hours to obtain pure culture. After 74 hours, pure colonies of fungi were obtained. After that, for the isolation of for the identification of fungi, the isolated fungi from the soil sample were further processed to identify them. The morphological properties of fungal as colony was first observed, and they were stained with cotton blue stain on glass slide, keeping a small portion of the fungal culture. Slide were viewed under 10x and 40x microscope. The morphology and microscopic properties of the isolated fungi were studied in depth with the key to the detection of fungus. After that, for the extraction of spore-free filtrate from the isolated fungi, the fungi were first transferred from SDA plate to the flask having broth media. Each fungal isolate was separately grown on PDB in flask and incubated in shaker incubator at 130 RPM at 25 degrees centigrade for 7 days in dark. After 7 days, the fungal broth culture was first centrifuged at 4,000 RPM and for 15 minutes, and then the plate were further processed by passing through Wattman number 2 papers. Finally, the fungal filtrate were filtered through Melik's HA syringe Trimon filtrate to obtain spore-free fungal metabolites. This was aimed to obtain spore-free culture from the broth culture. After that, for the preparation of different concentration, they were made from the spore-free culture. Different concentration were made, i.e. 100%, 75%, 50%, 25%, and 12%. After that, hyaloma ticks were collected from the abdominal region of the tick using fine forceps. After that, we finally perform in vitro bioassay. We perform two type of in vitro bioassay: larval motility assay and adult motility assay. These are the results of my research. This table shows the mortality after 15 days of treatment of adult tick by Fusarium, Aspergillus, and Alternaria fungal isolates. The motility of hyaloma by various concentration of isolate extracted from the differing fungal spore free culture as compared to positive and negative control after 15 days of treatment by and are given by their mean and their standard deviation. The table showed that the adult tick mortality by Alternaria showed that the fungal filtrate had significant effect on tick mortality. The highest mortality rate was seen at 100%, followed by 75% filtrate concentration, and the lowest concentration in all cases was observed at 12%. This graph shows the larval motility of hyaloma ticks after 15 days of treatment of post-exposure against different concentration of Alternaria. Similar in the case, they show highest motility at 100% concentration, and the lowest motility was shown as 12%. This graph show the larval motility of hyaloma ticks after post-exposure against different concentration.